Hi, I'm Glenn with Family Handyman. I recently had a chance to test this Bosch 18-volt jigsaw. Let me tell you why I like it. So on a recent woodworking project, I had a lot of long, curving cuts to make, and I needed a jigsaw that was going to be comfortable in my hand for hours and track well for all those cuts. And this barrel grip Bosch 18-volt saw was the perfect solution. It fits well in my hand, and I have easy access to the on-off controls, as well as other controls to make the saw work right for me. The blade change mechanism that Bosch designed on this saw works really well. You flip this trigger with one hand and the blade is loose, it comes right out. And when I want to put a new blade in, it just clicks into place. When I'm actually cutting with this saw, it's a pleasure to work with. There's a plastic cover on the base that helps protect the wood. I've got a clear view through this guard so I can see my cut, and there's a fan that blows all the sawdust away, giving me a great view of my cut line. If you're going to talk about cordless tools, you got to talk about batteries. Bosch uses the latest 21700 size cells inside its battery packs. This one's 8 amp hours, that means maximum runtime. But if I want a less expensive battery, I could choose this 4 amp hour version, still get good runtime, and they all charge well inside that charger. With all these great features, this Bosch Jigsaw is Family Handyman approved. To see other products we're testing and approving, visit familyhandyman.com.